Okay, welcome to week 5. And this week we are focusing on tableau, tone, and mood. You might want to think about some of these ideas as you are creating your OER project, something like a tableau, where you either model it with some sort of something that you've sculpted or made, or actually do it as, get a group of people together and do a tableau would be fantastic, or a series of tableaus. That would be a great way to depict a chapter. That'd be a great idea. Anyway, this week we are going to read book 2, chapters 13 through 16. And again, as usual, check your understanding quizzes to make sure you're on the right track. This week we have kind of a big and actually a really important assignment, and that's the OER project proposal. I want you to review what we've learned about what the proposal should be, or what the project should be. Remember, this isn't just an assignment. It's not just something that you can finish in, an hour or less. This is a project that should be comparable to a longer essay or writing or research project. We're going to do this instead of a big writing project. But remember, it still needs to have the same thought and time and effort and creativity put into it as you would on a bigger writing assignment. So something quick, just defining a few terms or doing things that you can already find on Shmoop or SparkNotes, chapter review or chapter summaries, things like that are already out there. That's not going to be really helpful to students. So look for things that are creative and different and that require you to put in some effort. So that's what you're going to do this week, is you're going to submit a project assignment proposal to me. And remember, this is in the category of essays, tests, and projects. So this will be worth more towards your final grade than other assignments. So you need to really take this one seriously and put some effort into it. For your proposal, you will explain specifically what you're going to do for your project. I want a timeline, a plan for completing this, including dates and steps that you will take to complete the project by the due date, which is right after Christmas break, and details about what type of tech tools will you be using, how will you submit it, what were the links, are you using YouTube, are you using Vimeo, VoiceThread, the tech tools, and all the logistics and specifics. I want you to be very specific so that I can have confidence that you know what you're doing and you have a plan of attack. So that's a very important project assignment that you'll do first off this week. Then you're going to watch this presentation on Tableau, and you are going to watch another presentation on tone and mood and discuss that in this discussion forum. Later on in the week, you will take a quiz on your reading, and then also we have lots of problems in writing with apostrophe, so I want you to look at these resources, and there's an apostrophe quiz at the end of the week. So basically the focus is on this project proposal and on reading and understanding the chapters that we're focusing on this week. And that is it. Also Tier 1, you'll have a reading log. And the general group, you should still be completing your reading log each week, and it will be due in week 6. Let me know if you have any questions.